since Monday, हाँ फर्स्ट जगह since. अच्छा wait here until your elder brother comes. The color of Jerry's eyes was grey. I prefer vegetables.
Was হবে was
और ऐसा was दिखो. I prefer vegetables to meat.
More to meat.
না more নাই. Vegetables to meat.
টু মিট হবে মোর দেন উঠে যাবে
Had I been a magician, I
would have removed
corruption. I want to speak English like the English. अच्छा.
জি স্যার এটা তো হবেই হবে এটা তো
One swallow does not make a summer. Today brain drain is a great problem.
স্যার ষোলো কি
In
শালো তো
সে শালিক করত.
না এই ষোলো না ষোলো
Independence is the birthright of a man. Education, quality education leads to empowerment. তারপরে perseverance
perseverance is the
Perseverance
most
is the
important
more-
tool for our success
for our success. Perseverance কত বছর
পড়াশোনা
Tom went to London last week. তাহলে when did Tom go to London? They treated him as their guest. তাহলে how did they treat him? No one can escape death. তাহলে who can escape death? He comes to our house once a week. How often does he come to your house? The meal cost us about 50 টাকা. তাহলে how much did the meal cost you? Did কিন্তু it is 10:30 now. তাহলে what time is it now? Everybody knows his background. তাহলে who doesn't know his background?
এই পানি পড়ছে
নো হিজ ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড এই যে সেই পানি পড়া
ওয়াটার ড্রপ
না সমস্যা নাই হয়ে যাবে না
আচ্ছা গেল
অন দা বুক
if he had helped me, I would have helped him. I wish I could sing a folk song. The bell rang after he had reached. Would that I could enter. The risks are not always happy. If I were you, I would not. Nah, if I had been you, he said that he would meet her before. Wonderful is wonder. Decision, decide. Soft, soften.
softly receive
Softly, adverb, no? Softly. Really, real. Child, childish. Examiner, examine. Oppress, oppression. Bas. We are returning home. On the way, we met a little girl. She was selling flower on the street. She requested us to buy some flowers. We could not because we were in a hurry. কিন্তু. But I threw a 1 টাকা note to her. 33
ये 1 টাকা মানে
1 টাকা মানে 1 টাকার একটা নোট।
পড়াইছিল তারপরে
33 34
34
আজকে কয় তারিখ 21 না?
স্যার
স্যার কালকে কয়টায় পড়াবেন?
পরীক্ষা
এই